Night driving at the Statue of Unity. I'm trying to view this place through my driving at night. Just now I heard a beautiful song by Anupam Roy, Amake Amar Motum Baste. I have been brought up in West Bengal. I understand the ethics and values. Few of the things were exceptional. I recall the names of great persons like Swami Vivekanand, and then Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And what an irony, today I have come to this place, Statue of Unity. There is a big statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and that man was a very simple man. And I wanted to get behind the thought process. What makes Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel so strong man? So I researched a little bit of understanding. One guide told me that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a follower of a German philosopher Bismarck. He used to follow his thoughts. He was a man who believed in strength. Though his mentor was Mahatma Gandhi, he worked with him, and he was responsible for Kheda movement against the Britishers. But he was a very tough man. He used to take very tough decisions. His personal life was not a good one because what I researched, he worked very hard for his studies. He saved money. Then he went to England, broadened his thought process, came back to India as a lawyer, and then he was practicing in a court. His wife was no more. At that time, he didn't leave that place, completed his argument in the court, and then went to attend the wife. He had 2 children. So that was the simplicity of the man. And the great men are born not through they had to face certain difficulties in life. The Statue of Unity is a symbol, but most people come here in order to celebrate and enjoy. Very rarely few people realize that he was the man, he was a true Indian who worked to integrate our country. In many provinces like Hyderabad and other princely states which would not have been integrated into India if he had not played the active role. So today was a new opportunity again to visit this place, and I express my gratitude and a respect for this great man. Though there are persons who want to this is the age of commercialization, marketing, but I respect, and because of this I came to understand a deep philosophy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was called the Iron Man, physical strength and faith. These are the 2 things. If you don't have physical strength and faith in yourself, you cannot achieve great tasks. This was the simple message of this great man. So on this moment of night drive, I take this inspiration from this man, that 100% it's the physical strength as well as the faith which combines together, sincere and dedication, hard work. And whatever he did, the greatest thought was that first of all he had mentors in life, Mahatma Gandhi, and the second thing is that in a fluke of a moment he did not carry out whatever the task was given to him. He was very clear where he was launching his career. So it was a deep thought that he was working for India, he is sacrificing his life. So these were the things which he did or followed. So normally in life also we do things, but it's not a matter of fluke. You have to work hard for it. Your determination counts.